Hello and welcome to my short lecture on the topic Smart Cities and Communities. Today we will be discussing module number 4, that is Smart Governance, under unit number 1. So if you call a system to be smart or a city to be smart, then it should have some particular characteristics. So the characteristics are smart infrastructure, ICT should be smart, energy management should be smart, transport should be smart, waste management should be smart, mobility should be smart, there should be smart ULB, smart citizens, smart slums, and more important, smart governance. So, when will you call the infrastructure to be smart? If the cities are paved with good roads which are capable of surviving under all weather conditions, if all the citizens are being provided with assured electricity supply, if all the citizens are provided with affordable housing, if the sanitation and sewerage system is smart, and if all the people in the city are having access to clean and potable water, if they are having access to info, data and technology, and if the education, health services and IT connectivity is smart, then the whole city will be supposed to have smart infrastructure. Information and communication technologies will be called as smart when there is an integration of IoT, big data, AI and other technologies, and it also enables the city administration to make planning for the future development of the city, and all the citizens living in the city should be provided with smart internet connectivity and Wi-Fi networks that are up to date so that they will be able to access information and innovations. Now, when it comes to smart energy management, rather than relying on centralized energy resources, rather than relying on polluting fossil sources like coals and uranium, it will be better to go for alternative options like wind and solar. And if there is an efficient use of energy by both the residential and commercial buildings, and instead of common vehicles that make use of petrol and diesel, if you are switching on to EVs, and if the common lighting system is being converted to or replaced by LED systems, then the total amount of energy that is consumed will come down. And if every home is installed with smart meters, then the whole energy management will be called as smart. When you call the transport to be smart is whenever there is a reduction in vehicle traffic, whenever there is a reduction in road accidents, whenever there is a reduction in traffic congestion, whenever there is a reduction in traffic crimes, and if the transport is capable of providing seamless service to both public and private sectors, then the transport management will be called as intelligent. Now comes the very important thing that is called a smart governance. So what is smart governance? Smart governance means using digital tools for effective public administration. If you have such a status, then it will ensure citizens to have a voice, and they will be able to access government services anytime, anywhere, etc. And it also increases transparency and the trust in the governance. For example, all must have their own online portals and online services that they are accessing, and they are available in their mobile phones itself. So if you are having such a thing, then it will be also called a smart governance. Then if all over the city, if there is a option of real-time monitoring 24 hours 7, then you will be able to keep the crimes in check, and with the available collected data, if you are able to make good decisions in which will be leading to future growth of the city, then it will be called a smart governance. Further, participatory governance is an important dimension in a smart governance. and it improves public participation through use of e-government tools and initiatives, and they are delivered via smartphones and other digital devices, as I already mentioned. And residents should actively participate in the governance, and they should be capable of providing feedback via their digital channels. And the public services offered should be more affordable, accountable, and transparent. So thus, smart governance promotes transparency and accountability of the government and the municipal system. With this, let's close the session.